Today's subject is pharmaceutics 2 and chapter number 4 is solid dosage form. We are going to see the subtopics. That is, subtopic is method of preparation of powders. It is the preparation that is called as the method of preparation of powders. Then during powdering, then weighing and mixing, there is a loss of powder which cannot be avoided. Means during the method of preparation of powders, that is during powdering, means saturation, then weighing of powder and mixing of powder, there is a loss of powder which cannot be avoided during this method of preparation of powders. Therefore, while calculating the quantity, it is important. Therefore, while calculating the quantity of ingredients, calculate for one extra powder. Calculate for one extra powder than required. Then why calculate for one extra powder? For this reason, because there is a loss of powder which cannot be avoided during the powdering, weighing and mixing. Therefore, while calculating the quantity of the ingredient, calculate for one extra powder than required. While calculating the quantity of ingredients, then the dispensing balance are not very sensitive. Then it is difficult to weigh the quantity. It is important. Weigh the quantity less than 2 grain or 100 mg. Means it is difficult to weigh the quantity less than 2 grain or 100 mg on the dispensing balance. If the quantity is less than 2 grain or 100 mg, then you have to difficult to weigh on dispensing balance because they are not very sensitive in nature. Therefore, the quantities weighing less than 2 grain or 100 mg must be saturated with a suitable diluent. Therefore, addition of diluent such as lactose, so that the quantities are made weighable on dispensing balance. For this purpose, because the quantities less than 2 grain or 100 mg is not weighed properly on the dispensing balance, because the dispensing balance are not very sensitive, then that purpose you have to make weighable, you have to add the suitable diluents such as lactose, so that the quantities are made weighable on the dispensing balance. Because lactose are the event materials only to increase the weight of material. It is called as the diluent. Means addition of diluent to make it weighable on the dispensing balance. Then next, if the powder is crystalline, the crystalline substances are powdered separately. If the material or ingredient which are present in crystalline form or in the crystalline substances are powdered separately, and then weigh the required quantity of each ingredient. First, crystalline substances are powdered separately, and then weigh the required quantity of each ingredient. Then, after powdered separately and then after weighing the required quantity of each ingredient, mix all the ingredients in ascending order. It is important. Ascending order means smallest to largest. Ascending order of their weights, and mix thoroughly to form a homogeneous powder. It is important to make a homogeneous powder. It is mixed in such a way, in ascending order of their weights, and mix thoroughly to form a homogeneous powder. Means proper mix the powder. Then next we have to see the subtopic is packing of powders, which is very important for the packing of powders. The powders may be wrapped in paper. Or dispensed in bulk powders. Either the powders are wrapped in papers or dispensed in bulk powder in wide mouth container. Dispense the bulk powder in wide mouth container for suitable handling of powder during administration. Means the powders may be wrapped in papers or dispensing bulk powders in a wide mouth containers. Then next we have to see what is the wrapping of powders. How to wrap the powder. Then weigh the required number of powders and wrap in the papers. The wrapping of powders is done in papers. Weigh first the required number of powders and wrap in the papers. Then which paper is used? The white glazed paper. Glaze means covered with the shiny coating. It is called as glazed. The white glazed paper is generally used for wrapping. Should be done on a clean tile or large sheet of glazed paper to protect the product. Means wrapping of powder is done on a clean tile or large sheet of glazed paper. Glazed means it is covered with the shiny material. Large sheet of glazed paper to protect the product. Means and it is wrapped in the white glazed paper is generally used for the wrapping of powder, and it should be done on a clean tile or large sheet of glazed paper to protect the product. The wrapping of powder should be done. And next, an important thing is what is double wrapping system. What is double wrapping system for powders? The white glazed papers give inadequate protection to volatile, hygroscopic and deliquescent substances. The double wrapping system is done in case of volatile, hygroscopic and deliquescent substances. Volatile means loss during the environmental conditions or increase in temperature. Then hygroscopic means absorb the moisture from atmosphere, and deliquescent means absorb the moisture to certain great extent. The powder is changed into the liquid state. It is called as deliquescent substances. So in this condition, that is, if the material or substance is volatile in nature, then hygroscopic nature or deliquescent nature, the double wrapping system is used, because in this white glazed paper give inadequate protection. Then for this purpose, unless it is lined with the wax paper. Therefore, for this purpose, this white glazed paper is lined with the wax paper. Lined with means coating with the wax material, and according to the wax, it is called as wax paper. Then the lining is cut a few smaller each way than the white glazed paper, and it is quite satisfactory to fold both papers together. For the folding purpose, the line is cut a few smaller each way than the white glazed paper, and it is quite satisfactory to fold both papers. Fold from edges, from corners. Fold the papers together. In exceptional cases, each pack may be wrapped externally with the aluminium foil. Means in such exceptional cases, each pack may be wrapped externally in aluminium foil. And what is double wrapping system? The double wrapping system is used for volatile, hygroscopic and deliquescent substances, because white glazed paper is not give the inadequate protection. And in double wrapping, the inner wrap is made up of the wax paper, and outer wrap means external wrap is made up of the aluminium foil. Means the powder are packed with the inner paper, that is, it is called as the wax paper, and externally it is wrapped with the aluminium foil, that is, it is called as the double wrapping system. And last, we have to see the labeling part. The patient should be instructed that individual means each number of powder should be dispersed in little water. Either it is number of powders is taken along with the little dispersed in the little water, or placed on the back of the tongue before swallowing. Means this labeling is instructed on the container for the how to take the powders. How to take powders? The labeling instruction should be, the patient should be instructed that the individual powder should be dispersed in little water or placed on the back of tongue before swallowing. So this is labeling instruction, means how to administer the powder as a dose. Then in this lecture we have to see first the method of preparation of powders. Then second is packing of powders. In this we have to first wrapping of powders. Then next important is we have to see the double wrapping system, and last is the labeling instruction for the powders.